Welcome to the Fairfield Homes Better Built by Science series. You might be asking, why are we taking the time to make these videos? The answer's simple. The Fairfield team has spent thousands of hours studying how to bring home buyers like you smarter, more energy-efficient, water-resistant homes. That's true return on investment. Homeowners who've bought our homes see the benefits immediately. Lower energy bills, more consistent temperatures from room to room, and bone-dry basements get noticed right away. To see how Fairfield generates these energy efficiencies, it's important to get behind the curtain and see how material selection and construction make a major impact on energy savings. Let's take a look. At the core of the energy saving story is Fairfield's use of building science-based 2x4 technology. In a typical home, 2x6-inch studs are used to frame the exterior walls of the home. One would think the additional 2 inches of stud width and insulation would insulate the home from outside cold and heat even more. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way, and here's why. On the outside of a typical home lies siding, and then the studs, which sit next to insulation. Siding and plywood have no real insulating value, so cold and hot air travel right through the wood stud and the drywall right into your home. Since a typical home has over 300 square feet of uninsulated wood, sealing that exposed area is way more important and cost-effective than worrying how big the studs are or how much insulation is used. In Fairfield's building science model, common sense starts and ends with preventing as much air leakage as possible. On the outside of every Fairfield home lies 1. Siding, and then 2. High-strength insulated foam board covering all the wood. This layer is the secret weapon against heat and cold loss. How? Outside air that gets past the siding hits a proverbial brick wall of energy-saving greatness in the foam board. The foam board and insulation equals the same insulating power as a 2x6 wall does. But the 2x4 stud has insulating foam on the outside, blocking most of the energy loss through the stud itself. By using 2x4 studs, Fairfield is able to use fewer materials and do a superior job insulating your home with virtually no loss of structural strength in the process. That's good for you and even better for the environment. Fairfield doesn't stop there with the energy savings, though. We use long-lasting, high-insulating foam where other drafts and leakages normally occur. Outlet boxes, outdoor water fixtures, between framing members, door frames, and window frames are all sealed to keep the outdoors where it belongs, outdoors. And that keeps you and your family comfy and cozy.